Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Cooktop part #W10245805. The Whirlpool Cooktop part #W10245805 is a 4-burner electric cooktop that is designed to provide efficient and reliable cooking performance. It features two 8-inch burners, one 6-inch burner, and one dual-element burner. The dual-element burner has two heating elements that can be used together or separately for greater control over the cooking temperature. The cooktop also features a keep warm setting that maintains a low temperature for keeping food warm until it is ready to be served. The cooktop also has an electronic touch control panel with IND. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement cooktop knob for Whirlpool cooktops. It does not fix any symptoms, but it can be used to replace a broken or damaged knob. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the cooktop and check for any damage. 2. Turn off the power to the circuit breaker supplying power to the cooktop. 3. Remove any existing countertop material and cut a hole in the countertop to fit the cooktop. 4. Place the cooktop into the cutout and secure it with screws provided in the installation kit. 5. Connect the electrical wiring according to local codes and manufacturer's instructions using a UL-listed strain relief connector. 6. Turn on power to the circuit breaker supplying power to the cooktop and test for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.